What's going on, peeps? It's that time for me to announce the winner of this giveaway. So we're going to keep this short and sweet to the point. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we have it. I said it was going to be the hashtag 2K giveaway. So let's go ahead and get this winner. And I'm using TubeBuddy for this. And the winner is going to be John Delano. Hope I said it right. So, John, when you get this, all you gotta do is get at me, send me an email. And in that email, you just have to give me your information where I'm gonna be sending these products to. Now, the Super Clean will be coming from Super Clean themselves. So I will have to give your this name and address to them so they can send it out to you. So congratulations on winning. Everybody else, thank you for being loyal supporters. And hopefully as I continue to grow the channel, do more giveaways and give more people a chance to win. But right now I'm working on another cook, so I'm out. Peace.